Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Managing your Air Canada booking doesn't have to be stressful. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or a last-minute getaway, knowing how to manage your reservation can save you time, money, and unnecessary hassle. From changing your flight to selecting your favorite seat, Air Canada offers several convenient tools that help travelers stay in control of their journey. Here are 10 essential tips to help you easily manage your Air Canada booking. 1. Keep your booking reference handy. The first step in managing your reservation is having your booking reference, confirmation number, and last name ready. These details allow you to quickly access your booking online or through the Air Canada mobile app. 2. Use online booking management instead of waiting on customer support. Log in to the Manage Booking section on Air Canada's website or mobile app. Here you can 1. View your itinerary. 2. Update passenger details. 3. Change flights, if eligible. 4. Add travel services. 5. Download your e-ticket. Managing your booking online is available 24/7 and is usually the fastest option. 3. Check flight status regularly. Flight schedules may change because of weather, operational issues, or airport congestion. Check your flight status a day before departure and again on your travel day to stay informed about delays or gate changes. 4. Select or upgrade your seat early. Select or upgrade your seat early. Don't wait until check-in to choose your seat. Booking early gives you better options, including 1. Window seats, 2. Aisle seats, 3. Extra legroom seats, 4. Preferred seating if available. You can also upgrade to premium economy or business class for additional comfort. 5. Add extra baggage before the airport. Need more luggage? Purchase additional checked baggage online before arriving at the airport. Prepaying for baggage is often cheaper than paying at the airport and helps speed up the check-in process. 6. Complete online check-in. Air Canada typically allows online check-in 24 hours before departure. By checking in online, you can 1. Save time at the airport. 2. Receive your boarding pass. 3. Confirm your seat. 4. Avoid long check-in lines. You can store your boarding pass on your smartphone for easy access. 7. Update contact information. Make sure your email address and phone number are accurate in your booking. This ensures you'll receive important notifications about 1. Flight delays. 2. Schedule changes. 3. Gate updates. 4. Cancellation alerts. Real-time updates can help you avoid unnecessary surprises. 8. Understand flight change and cancellation policies before making changes. Review the fare conditions associated with your ticket. Depending on your fare type, you may be able to 1. Change your travel date. 2. Modify your destination. 3. Cancel your trip. 4. Receive travel credit or a refund. Knowing the rules beforehand can help you avoid unexpected fees. 9. Use Aeroplan benefits. If you're an Aeroplan member, don't forget to add your membership number to your reservation. You can earn points on eligible flights and enjoy benefits such as priority services, depending on status, 1. Seat selection options. 2. Reward flight redemptions. 3. Exclusive member offers. Frequent travelers can maximize value by collecting Aeroplan points. 10. Contact customer support when needed. If you experience complex booking issues, such as multiple flight changes, special assistance requests, or ticketing problems, contact Air Canada customer service. Having your booking reference ready will help the representative assist you more quickly. Managing your Air Canada booking is simple when you know where to look and what tools are available. By checking your flight status, selecting seats early, updating your contact information, checking in online, and understanding your ticket rules, you can enjoy a smoother travel experience from booking to boarding. Whether you're flying for business or leisure, these 10 essential tips will help you stay organized, avoid unnecessary fees, and travel with confidence. Thank you for watching.